got to run this thing. It's going to go to Chicago. We sold it to a guy in Chicago, put a brand new motor in it, so we don't got a lot of miles on it. So we just want to make sure it's going to jam up so it doesn't run into issues on his way there. So let's go try this bad boy out. We got raccoon problem. It smells like death, doesn't it? You're in a cab. False alarm. Something died in the cab though. The rodent raccoon's gonna pop out of the back. What's going on? You got your overdrive on the side here. You just go through the gears. A lot of guys like to use the clutch. I just let the RPMs work and do their thing. All these older trucks have air operated windows, so they're not electric, it's just air pressure. See how fast they go down? It's like a friggin' lightning rod. Just, oh, it ain't gonna do it. Hold on, we'll let the pressure build up. We'll wait for the noise to stop. Yes, it smells like something's up in here, man, and died. Thank you. Gotta snap a picture so I know what part number I need. We'll go find Tyler in here. Crabby. Actually, I don't know if I should get a couple strands of that too for doing those lights. Or if I should just run 3 individual. I might just do that.
You put some flashes on it?
On the dually truck, I was gonna put some flasher lights on it. And this is nice because the strands of the wire, instead of being individual, like there's one here I can grab, like so. Then when you run them down the frame, they're actually stuck. They're glued together. Makes it easier so that we don't gotta zip tie them all down individually. So I might just borrow that from Mark. Might just do that.
Hey!
Yo!
What's that?
Thank you.
Get this one today.
You got more damn visors in it. Oh, visors, anybody I know.
I need to get a BF 1259.
We're on it.
Well, you got them here, right?
I don't have that number. I got to check it.
Yeah, you do.
We don't have that Volvo from,
Last time I was here, Greg.
What's that number again?
BF 1259. It was. They were right here. 1259. Tyler's the one that gave it to me.
Oh, it's P55 1000. You're right here.
Why is
Yeah, that will work.
this work? Why is it different? It's the same filter I got from you. But this one says 5812 and this one says 1259. What's the difference?
Nothing. It's probably longer.
No, it's
Nope, that'll work. You see here? P55
because I had a
1000
I had
and
a
an
Wiz.
8000 and a 1000 are both the same. So I ran out of that one.
Well, will one of these work?
Oh yeah. If it's in the 8,000 slot, that.
Man, we got some
There
Def
you go.
Leppard playing, or
There you go.
oh, where'd you find that one at?
And I didn't take, if you want another one, you can grab it.
How much are they?
15, 20 bucks probably.
Well, it saves a
Okay.
call on the highway.
Kid, I'm making out P55 8,000.
8,000s, man, 8,000s. I like it.
We're on it.
Boom. All right, bro. Have a good day. Ready? Got a fuel filter, a spare fuel filter. This truck was sitting when we bought it, so we just want to make sure when the guy leaves, we're going to check it before it goes. We're going to send it with some spares, so we're good to go. We're going to check the axles, grease the brakes, check the transmission, check the front hubs, and then we'll be back. So back to Mark's we go.
Well, she's going to auction next week, so.
It's got to make it there.
Yeah.
So I don't want that tank that I didn't clean out.
Can we pinch the line off?
I'm going to go to Mark's and Is that one going on rent?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. That's the bar, dude.
Oh, the board's a good start right there.
Maybe we can get a sponsor one of these days, guys. I go there once a week. Get these for the guys.
What are we doing?
Oh, just giving her some grease, making sure everything stays together. Yummy. Grease gets everywhere. So right now we just got it in off rent. Normally we wash everything, but it's going right back out, so we're just pumping it with grease and making sure all the bushings are taking grease and checking fluids, making sure it's good on service, and going right back out. And no blow by. Coolers aren't packed full of dirt, so that's a bonus. Don't gotta power wash those out. What's happening?
Time for a nap. Just got done eating.
Full Tommy.
Full Tommy?
Yeah. Some Mexican food.
Taco burrito.
Too much chips and salsa.
Just had a family lunch. Friday family lunch. And I actually packed one, so now that's still in the fridge for Monday. So that's a good habit to have.
Hyundai, brand new 985 two-pass loader. One of our customers here north of Spring Lake. Why don't you guys come along? We'll see what we can find out and see how they're liking the machine. Let's go. What's happening, brother? That's good, dude. That's what I like. How about everything on the machine? Is there any questions you got, or?
I'm trying to get used to, because in the cats, the downshift is here.
Yep.
So I'll go into a pile.
Oh, so it's not this one?
No, it's like a lever right here.
Oh, I see.
So like I'm going into the pile, I shifted to reverse. I'm like, I'm not trying to back in out of the pile.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to get used to that. It's muscle memory.
Yep. Anything else that's?
Trying to get used to. I found out that you can't level it going this way. You can only level it when the bucket's dumped. You can only use the auto level from there. When it's rolled back like this, you can't auto level it.
I appreciate you guys doing what you're doing, giving it a fair whack, and you know.
And I noticed on the wheel wells, there's no like bracket.
Yep.
I'm worried that working in that crap, it get built up in there.
Oh.
And mess with that cylinder.
Oh, it should be open on the bottom.
Is it?
I do believe, yeah.
Okay, that's why I didn't know. Like,
Yep.
I haven't really done it too thorough of a check, but.
Yep. Yeah, I see what you're saying. So the cavity, you're worried about it filling up from access falling back.
If there's a hole, then you guys already planned for that.
Yep.
So,
Sweet. Well, I'm going to let you do your thing, man. So guys, just got done talking with the operator on the loader. Asked if he had any questions or anything, concerns that he had. Brought up a few really good points. Just some comfortable things in the cab. But all in all, the machine's actually proven itself really well. They're just used to one machine. So when you bring a different machine or you know, something they're not used to into a market like this, you know, they kind of go, I don't like it. But actually getting really good feedback. We're not the only dog here. We got Cat coming in, we got Deere coming in, and now we got Hyundai coming in, which we represent. So it's really cool to come in and say, hey, you know, this is my product. This is what our product can do. I want you guys to get in the seat and actually let the product show you what it can do, and then let's go from there. So it's really cool we get this opportunity. Thankful for these guys.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.